Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Samsung has released a few updates, well, one update rather for the always on display that does cover a few issues and fixes here for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this mostly pertains to the S Pen, the lock screen, and the now bar on the always on display. So this fixes the S Pen touch operation error on live notifications on the now bar. So I haven't had any issues with my now bar, but I'm guessing there was an issue with using your S Pen to interact with the now bar on the always on display. Fixed the lock screen blurring in certain situations. So if you had a blurred lock screen, that does fix that issue, as well as fixed now bar text appearing cut off in certain screen sizes and font sizes. So again, not an issue I've had. I haven't really changed the screen or font size on my device, but if you changed your screen or font size and you had issues with your now bar being cut off, this update should fix that. And this update is available in the Galaxy Store. So not the Play Store, but the Galaxy Store. Just go to updates and you can update your always on display right there. So that is for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and probably some of the other Galaxy devices as well. But this is the S25 Ultra here. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.